What is going on, everybody, and welcome. We're back live with all of you, ready to see what in the world is going on with our prices. On one side, we have the prices of Bitcoin down, flash crashing. The other one, what's going on right now on Twitter. Welcome, everybody. How's everyone doing? What a nasty way to start today. But by the same token, what a great opportunity for us to dollar cost average our way down, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start looking right now. You got me, of course. We're setting everything up right now. A lot of updates, a lot of videos, a lot of great things happening right now for the crypto space, as you are aware. Um, just in Bitcoin ETF trading. What is this? I mean, what? Oh my god. Ah, on YouTube. Am I still live? Sorry, guys. YouTube is not working with me right now. Am I still live? What's going on, fam? Welcome. Live. Good. Thank you, guys. YouTube is acting weird today. I don't know. Welcome to the Flash Crashing Live. How's everybody doing? Get in. Come on. Thank you, guys. Thank you. 1.74 trillion right now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the fan. I'm gonna go ahead and get some water. I wanted to come fast and furious to see $44,000 right now. Bitcoin, $44,000. If I had to guess what is going on, guys, it is obviously the announcements. It is obviously Wall Street. It is obviously now more institutions can manipulate what is going on this. So let's go ahead and talk. Obviously, hello, Oscar. Even despite the Bitcoin crash, we're still holding strong. Good morning. Let's go, guys. Let's talk. Get on board. Like and subscribe. Hey, everybody. Welcome. We are gonna be here. Let me go ahead and get some tunes at least to get us in the mood because man, it's hurting nice. All right, got some red, fam. How we feeling? Due to it's being weird nowadays, but we have to work with what we have, right? I mean, not much but waiting. Come on, baby. Load. There you go. VR tunes. Very good. Beautiful. Have to do what we can, right? Emily in the house. Georgino in the house. Welcome, Georgie. I think remember what you were saying is probably what will happen here right now. All right. Big sell-offs right now, everybody. And obviously Wall Street manipulating, affecting right now. A lot of people taking the opportunity to cash out their positions. And that is affecting the market as of right now. Some of the plays that are very down on this day forward. Let's go. So, what are the urgent news? What in the world is going on? Well, let's make some sense right now, okay? Let's talk for a second on this one. I need you to be working sharp today. Always want to have a great, deep analysis. And the first thing I'm going to say is I'm very happy to be back with all of you. Yesterday, we had something similar from almost $49,000 to $45,000. And now a 10% retracement to $43,000. Should we be concerned? Should we be, oh wow, that left. That was fast. Should we be in some way, shape, or form scared that the price can go lower? Well, guys, it's crypto. Anything can really happen. But I'll tell you, if the billionaires are not selling, like Michael Saylor, which I haven't heard anything right now on Watch a Guru, like he has made some positions. When you open up, and I'll go ahead and do that very, very soon. When you open up, you will see that we're still fine in the long-term macro. So there's really levels right now that we can reach. I think $39,000, $38,000 is really what we've been saying for a while as a possible price. I mean, I really didn't want to go back to that prediction because we were now almost to break $50,000. But the thing is, what we're seeing today changes a lot of people's expectations, changes predictions, and obviously, I think I want to go ahead and get to the best of my ability to see, okay, so what is going to be now next, right? One thing I've been seeing a lot are these transfers to crypto exchanges. This could indicate sell-offs, and it is exactly what we're seeing. 48 hours ago. Oh, my internet is slow today. Maybe one of those days, guys, with slow internet. So you are here seeing all this struggle. We're seeing a lot of these transfers for the last 72 hours, right before the approval. Right before the approval, I'm seeing a lot of these transfers. So obviously, I want to close a lot of different applications right now, so it helps my computer run faster, which is weird. Got a good computer. What is going on, guys? Welcome. Happy to have you here. Do me a favor and smash that beautiful like button. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on those notification bells as we are enjoying Bitcoin flash crash right now in the 1 hour. Let's go ahead and move to the 15 minutes. As soon as we start lives, the price just stops doing anything. That's super weird. Like the live just started and the price just like it's there. I hope for more blood. Let's go ahead and see what our community has to say. What do you want right now? No excuses, just reality. This is how it works. Get used to it or get out. It's true. What I was saying yesterday will be down for manipulation. Banks need better rate. Whew. More blood, people are saying. Well, it's part of having cash in hand, right? YouTube is working for me. Did he just mean to end the live? No. Ella Oscar, even despite the Bitcoin crash, still holding strong. Absolutely. $44,000, and a couple of minutes ago we were at 43. Just people selling Bitcoin for some reason. Ethereum is still super strong. Like, what? This is absolutely ridiculous. Look at this. Oh, okay. I already know what's going on. Just the Bitcoin whales. That's it. That's it. That's what's really happening right now. That's what's really happening right now. Nothing but Ethereum whales. Ooh, we even got to $2,700, dude. $2,700 Ethereum, man. What is going on, Dr. Crypto? More blood is what people want right now. Love it. First things that I'm seeing on the screen don't make any sense. Like, why is Bitcoin down bad and Ethereum up good? Just Bitcoin whales. The Bitcoin ETF just got listed. There's obviously gonna be the last chance for paper hands to leave. Do not sell to whales. That's what I'll tell you. Do not sell to whales because they want your crypto bad, everybody. More blood. Let's get over with. Right now, more blood is winning badly with 61%. Go ahead immediately as you're coming in. Both, guys. Good vibes only here. Good vibes only as the price of Bitcoin is... Oh, boy. Send it. We got the good vibes, the good tunes, and that price seems to go lower. Let's go to the 5 minutes. Let's really see every single candle right now. Oh boy, we go. Ethereum super holding strong, and Bitcoin, it's looking like it wants to leave us and go to the moon. My price, it's going to be $38,000 roughly right here. Right here. I mean, because that's a price that I've been saying for a while, but I didn't want to believe it since we were doing really, really well nowadays. So I'm like, okay, so I think we're going to go much higher, but it seems not yet. Not yet. 2,658. All right. Got the glasses ready. I think now I'm good. I saw the price and I'm like, let's go ahead and have a chat with the fam, with the conversation. There's great news. Everybody watching right now from the Cronos holders, Cronos Army just made a video earlier today for all of you. There's a new AMA coming from Crypto.com CEO, Chris Marsalek. Gonna be on January the 19th. We'll be live for that. So do not forget to turn on those notification bells as you're watching so you don't miss anything, right? For Shiba Inu holders, we burned this week 9-point-something billion Shiba Inu. For a lot of people, that's still a drop in the bucket. That's not much. So we need more burns, and we're holding, baby. We're holding. Terra Luna Classic holders made a video yesterday for you too, updating. We're holding as well, and USDC actually pumped a little bit right after my video, which is like, what? And LUNC also did really well too, a little bit. So people were, cashing out some profits yesterday. XRP, there's a conversation right now when it comes to burning the escrow. I saw some updates and headlines, so I'm sure that you are becoming aware of what is the situation right there. I have to do my due diligence there before I make a video, but I'm telling you, I'm sharing with you what I'm seeing. Ethereum right now is honestly on another level. Ethereum right now is not caring what Bitcoin is doing. And that's the beauty of crypto right now, because Bitcoin holders who want to make money are going to Ethereum, and by the same token, going to other different altcoins. We like it. Bitcoin dominance going down. That's positive news. Oh, FTX, what the 15% FTX, guys. Wow. There he goes, guys. There he goes. Bitcoin $43,000, 500. Are we gonna see $42,000 on the stream right now? Do me a favor and let everybody know we are live, because Good vibes only. Over 100 votes. People want blood right now. That's what people want. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the tweets. Crypto discounts presenting themselves today. I have a coupon. Well done. Absolutely awesome. I totally agree. Now, Bitcoin reached 48 to 50 and Ethereum 25 to 26. At last, pump to 50K is possible. Then Bitcoin should go sideways while altcoins pump. After a few days, the entire market should reverse and dump. Well, now a big dump is being predicted right now. How does that sound? A big dump. Look at this. My fellow cryptos are us. Massive pumps coming to Bitcoin and these crypto projects. I don't think so, brother. I don't think so for now. But I get what you're saying. You're bullish. You're bullish. Justin, BlackRock, see. Ooh! Nice red candles right now. Fatality. Arman is saying, now I'll buy more Bitcoin. It's time for rotations from Bitcoin to Ethereum, then altcoins. Thing is that we still haven't seen Bitcoin at 50,000, which is, in my opinion, needed to happen. It needed to happen, in my opinion. Good tunes. I'm a believer in cryptocurrencies as an asset class, not a currency. That's what BlackRock CEO said. Ooh, the tunes are kicking right now, man. Benjamin Cohen, the bull market support band. Is BlackRock dumping Bitcoin? Honestly, who knows? But people are selling their Bitcoin right now. Not much. We're still not under 40. So my guess is we still need to be testing those support levels. We're not as bad as we think, but that's why we're live, because we can possibly get some nice prices, deals, discounts. It's exciting, guys. It's exciting. Go ahead and take a look at, Ethereum is really doing amazing. 20%. Wow. 20% up Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum is in something else. That's for sure. Ethereum is on something else. It's not caring. It's not caring to what's going on right now. Shiba Inu, we have still holding. Now we added a 0 once again. But let's go ahead and take a look at some of the comments because you guys are here and that means a lot. We have Danny. I came here from Cryptosaurus. If he is right about anything, it is the fact that Bitcoin will increase over time. Danny, I'm going to tell you something. George is right. Crypto and Bitcoin is going to increase over time. Yes. But George, me, and anyone in the world truly knows what the price of any crypto is going to be tomorrow. That's the beauty of investing. Arman, I'm on a 10-year plan, so this little dip is a gift for my retirement. Arman, you're right. I made a video yesterday night saying I'll be a crypto millionaire. Or watch it when you want, if you want. Because, guys, it is exactly this prices that makes us crypto millionaires. Not the $50,000, $60,000 Bitcoin. These are the prices that make us. the crypto millionaires. Bitcoin dominance decreasing, good for alts. That's right. That's right. As Bitcoin dominance goes down, altcoins go up. So we're immediately seeing the inverse relationship. Bitcoin dominance going down, price of Ethereum going up. Amp Knight saying, más sangre, more blood. Yeah, I get it, brother. I think it is a neck and neck almost. 55 to 45. 55 to 45, guys. More blood, pumps now. I gotta be honest with you guys. I kind of wanted the pumps. I kind of wanted the $50,000. You know it. Like, I think it was what a lot of people were expecting, but it doesn't seem to be that way right now. Bitcoin, violent fluctuations. We went from 44 to 49 to 44 in 4 days. Right there, you have a visual representation. And that's why I'm doing this live, guys, because it's just a time to watch the price, look at the news, look at what people are saying, and have a great chat. And we need that. We need that because people need to... We're not watching Twitch or other stuff. We're watching the markets. We want to learn and make money. That's it. So what happens when the spot ETF is approved? Boom. Spot ETF is rejected. We are in rejected territory, but it's been approved. Christine says, I continue to buy at these wonderful cheap prices. Well done. Always buy the dip. That's what they're saying. Hey, what is going on? As a beginner, please give me important tips, man. One is always have cash in hand because you never know what really is going to happen with the prices. Imagine that instead of going to 43, we would have gone to 50. Everybody will be so delighted, including me, right? But we are once again asking for your donation, like that meme, if you know what I'm talking about. And that donation is giving back to Bitcoin, giving back to Bitcoin, giving back to Bitcoin, giving back to DCA. I understand we have seen these prices forever, but hey guys, that's the best thing we could do, right? Maybe you're waiting for a different level of support, and I get it. So maybe right now is not the time for you to get in. I get it. So don't get in right now if you don't want. There's levels that we're looking at. $42,000 is one, but as of right now, chilling. Oscar, if a price of a coin and I click purchase, exchange right by charging at coin price. Don't care about the dump. I'm selling some of my Bitcoin in 2025. France. You mean when we are much higher? Not mad about it. Buying more this week. People are buying more. I mean, if BlackRock, Fidelity, not Vanguard though, not Vanguard. There's this boycott Vanguard campaign right now going on Twitter, which is pretty crazy. So let's continue. Look at this. 33 minutes ago, 35 minutes ago. I mean, some people are cashing out. Some people, by looking at those transactions, are cashing out. And it obviously translates into the price of Bitcoin going down. What is this? Grayscale GBTC saw 2.2 billion in trading volume on its first day of trading in Bitcoin. Spot ETFs, the largest amount of all ETF issuers. So GBTC Grayscale, boom. So just to give you an idea, right? There's a lot of demand. There's a lot of demand that is going through right now, GBTC. So that should have increased the price of Bitcoin. That's what I think a lot of people understood from the assignment. Why is not that happening? Because whales decided to sell instead of holding. They decided to cash out in the news and let it bleed out a little bit, as we're seeing right now in the poll. And after some time, when we don't know yet, but after some time, things are gonna change 180%. 180%. Everything's going to change, and that's where you and I are gonna start seeing some pumps. If you're enjoying this, everybody, 3 thumbs up. Consider subscribing. We're live and chatting. Wellwire is a famous bearish account on Twitter, and a lot of people follow it because obviously there's some major detractors of crypto and Bitcoin. So check this out. Justin, Bitcoin price plunges and wipes out all 2024 gains as spot ETF volume drops 82% on day 2 of trading, signaling low institutional demand for Bitcoin. That's what we're seeing as of right now. I don't get it. 80% run up to ETF optimism. Gary finally approves it. Massive volume flows for a new launch. Great press coverage. Huge issuers making big fee cuts. No real serious selling of the news. Yet people crying about GBTC going to see some redemptions. Really? This is when drama starts happening, guys. And if you're ready for the drama, then obviously get ready for more, because things are not gonna end anytime soon. And it's just a period of time when we finally get stabilized with all of this new Bitcoin ETF demand. And after that, it all gonna start taking its course. That's it. You're monitoring the 15-minute error site to see if it bounces legit. Thank you so much, Resargent. Appreciate that a lot. Yeah, 15-minute error site, not a bad one. They wanted to buy cheaper. Truth. Some big whale about to sell 10,000 Bitcoin. What? Thanks for the live stream. Of course, Last Wolf, I'm here. Sell-off is running out of steam. Think so? Go ahead and pin that message right now. Welcome to all. Welcome to all. As soon as I saw the prices, I'm like, let's go live. Let's go talk to people. Let's get everybody here on board. We got time. We posted some updates. I think people are ready for more. People are ready to buy more. To all my Cronos holders, if you haven't watched some of my previous updates, I'm very happy to tell you that I'm going full on Beno Finance. I'm making a lot of good money staking. I'm so happy. Owner of 200,000 Crow. Very, very happy for that. My money, and I'm pretty excited, for what the future holds for Crypto.com users. Should be doing fine. We should be doing fine. There's a lot of fees. There's a lot of good rewards. So what I'm doing is, instead of buying Bitcoin right now in like $5,000, $10,000, although I know it's gonna do well over time, I'm buying altcoins because I want to be financially free, guys. I want to be financially free. I know altcoins is my escape. I'm no BlackRock, man. I'm no BlackRock. BlackRock Bitcoin ETF pulled 111 million new money, but the data is delayed. Rest of the 1 billion in volume will show up in tonight's flow. So they just made that money in fees. Wow. Made a lot of money, man. They made a lot of money. What is this? 4 Grayscale Bitcoin Trust wallets transfer 4K Bitcoin, presumably to Coinbase Prime. Oh boy. That sounds like it's money that Coinbase is holding for clients. That doesn't sound like a whale because it's a Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Yeah. Because we know that Coinbase is gonna be the holder of some of them. Yeah, that makes sense. And the beautiful thing about the blockchain is that you can see everything. You can see everything, guys. That's the beautiful thing. What is this? Breaking. Bitcoin price drops as lackluster ETF demand debunks trillions of institutional demand predictions. A lot of different blood and FUD right now. There's FUD all over the place. Bitcoin Archive. Bitcoin ETF with the lowest trading volume yesterday still had more volume than 95% of ETFs launched in 2023. All right, well, sell-off wants to continue. The sell-off wants to continue to 42. How much money APY do you get compared to DeFi? It's actually a little bit less on Venom, but you get the opportunity to get Elcro, and also you can use your Elcro to put it into Gardens and get Venom Finance. There's just so many more ways to earn more money, and I like that a lot. Yeah, there's already 100 million Crow in Venom. They just tweeted, and I think when I talked to Ken Timsit, he gave a shout out to Ebius Bay, Venom Finance. I'm like, well, if it's coming from the manager of the blockchain, obviously they are aware that it's a good protocol. So let's go for it, right? And what I want to do is I want to make more money, right? And I'm just waiting on the unstaking part. Once that's completed, I'm going to move it to Venom. Dr. Crypto says, FUD plus opportunity equal financial freedom. Let me go ahead and pin that comment for sure. Over 355 votes right now. What do you want now? People are saying blood on the streets, baby. Blood on the streets. 50% Bitcoin, 25% Solana, 12.5% ICP, 12.5% SEI to be on the safe side. France, of course. John 316, happy to see you, brother. You're saying, Oscar, blood, baby. You want blood here. People want destruction. That's good. That's good. Let's go ahead and take a look at everything right now. 39,600. That's his price. That's his price. He just tweeted this Rand. He's looking at under 40,000. Today price high. Jim Cramer, man. Jim Cramer, man. Jim Cramer, man. Soon, panic selling will start. The 30-40% correction starting at 40%, 48,000. After that, golden bull run will start. What I'm seeing a lot is that people wanna witness under $40,000. If I was you, but I am not, so I'm gonna speak for myself. If I have some cash in hand right now, I'll wait for under 40K Bitcoin to buy. I'll do that. Because that is a downward trend. Although we have some levels of support, if I just deleted the Fibonacci earlier so it's less clutter, but based on how it's all now trending, that we change course, from going up to now breaking the trend. It looks like that 40 under 40k thousand finally is gonna be possible. Now I showed you earlier how from $48,000 to this price is 10% down. From $48,000 to this price is 10% down. I show you that. If we go under 40,000, that is gonna be 15 to 18% down. Some people are saying that it's gonna be even more than that. So just to give you an FY, just to give you an FY. I don't know everything. But I just want to make sure that we have the latest updates. That's it. That's it, right? I see this so much. What is this? Just then, Bitcoin ETFs had 720 million in inflows on day one. It's just getting started. So what is this? Bitcoin 2009 to 2023. Just to give you an idea here on one side of the aisle how people are predicting big things, guys. Amazon, Apple, Nvidia. So what is the future of Bitcoin price? Similar to tech companies, Bitcoin's 15-year journey somewhat mirrors the growth patterns of companies like Apple, Nvidia, Amazon. Despite facing major downturns, Bitcoin has consistently broken to all-time highs. With the SEC ETF approval, Bitcoin accessibility and ease of holding has now improved. Therefore, I'm gonna go ahead and open this in a new image. We are right now here. So for us to complete the cycle, this is the $69,000 one. Bull market. For us to complete the cycle and go this way, that is like 1,400 days and we're here. Obviously, when you zoom out, we're still up, but it still have to wait a while. And this could be the entire 2024 and 2025. And I made tweets not that long ago saying, guys, 2025 is our year. 2025. So 2024 people were predicting $100,000 Bitcoin. Obviously, they're bullish, very, very bullish. But since we started at less than $1 and now we are gonna be witnessing over 100,000, you can only imagine how people desire that immediately, right? So I think it's a good comparison, right? Look at this. Amazon over the years, Apple over the years, Nvidia over the years. Technological, right? Mirrors the growth. I'm gonna save that one. I think it's a good one for later analysis. $1.72 trillion, guys. We were at 1.80 trillion. Now we are at 1.70 once again. It's like they don't want us to go high, man. Look at this. 24-hour volume is 40, almost 40% down. People are not trading right now much. Bitcoin dominance is 49. Ethereum is, oh wow, Bitcoin dominance is really down. It went to 50s, 40 right now. Pretty insane. There you go. Come on, Bitcoin. If you want to go ahead and lower, send it. Been waiting for a while. Do it. Give me the bloody red candle so everybody's waiting. Over 500 people watching. We're all waiting for something bloody. That's what people want right now. Give what people want. If you want us to give under 40,000, then do it today, so we get it over with. Just chill and hold. Oscar, can you please make the for public the resistance of Bitcoin? This is one. I'll add the Fibonacci soon. Loving this volatility, of course. Last few days have been, a lot for Bitcoin. You were expecting this dump. I bought some ICP because here in the live, I was recommended by my community. I bought some, and last time that I checked, I was up. So I'm not mad about that position that I did about ICP. Pretty excited for that one. Like I said, once Bitcoin starts, after Bitcoin drops, it takes forever to make another move. This was today. Today we just got a 5% down again. And roughly we have an 11% down overall in the price of Bitcoin. Overall, an 11% down on the price of Bitcoin. So that $40,000 is another major resistance, which I'm gonna put right here. $40,000. So we still have some levels, everybody, and we hope to see Bitcoin fight them. If it doesn't fight them hard, then we're just gonna continue collapsing the way we have seen in the last 48 hours. It's just weird, I think a lot of people really wanted that major pump, like myself. How many times we heard buy the rumor, sell the news, right? It could also mean that as we're heading closer to the Bitcoin halving, we can have an amazing rally. It can all have swapped. The Bitcoin ETF approval, people, and I heard a lot of people's speculation saying that it was going to be good for the price. Halving was going to be bad for the price. What if it just inversed and this one is bad for the price, the halving is good for the price? It's always weird to see what whales have to do, but I think let's go ahead and go to the day to give you an idea. This is another good perspective of Bitcoin. So this is what Bitcoin is doing, and Ethereum. I'm also gonna leave the price hanging on Ethereum. Amazing, green. And the day is green. This is the day on Bitcoin. Like, we could even see that we're retesting from the end of December. We're testing some of the price channel right here. The end of the 43. If you zoom out even more, you're gonna see how October was a breaking point for us, positively speaking, over $30,000-$40,000. So these are levels late 2023 that I don't think I don't really want to see again. I don't really want to see again, because it will mean that we're back to bear market territory, and I don't want to believe that. After everything that we have gone through, it wouldn't make sense. Like I always say, the unexpected rhymes with crypto. As I continue my zooming out, we get all the way to the $25,000. This is the price that we really started seeing a change. Because from under $30,000, Bitcoin was hovering there for forever. It was only in October really when things started rallying massively. And if you really see, there's only a few big red candles of correction. It's this one, November, no? Then we have this one in December. Then we have this one at the beginning of the year. And we finally are seeing another one right now. But if we continue with the trend, it means that even though we have this, in the upcoming days, we should have some comeback recovery and we will continue breaking 50,000, guys. It's amazing how speculation works. These are my levels as of right now, starting at the end of December. So this is how I see things. Which obviously, it's all dictated, and it has been dictated by the approval of Bitcoin ETF. Manipulation, West, that happens a lot. The new norm for Bitcoin will be down on Fridays and big on highs during the week. To be on Mondays, ETFs can't trade on the weekends or outside the business hours. As we saw with the approval of the gold ETF, doesn't mean that after it was approved, the price was already skyrocketing, but you just have to give it time and be patient. More patient. More patient. Crypto Vibe says $43,000 is the bottom. Let's go closer to the 15 minutes right now. So this is what we're seeing on in the 15 minutes. So I think it's a little bit much better for analysis purposes. It looks like Bitcoin after Bitcoin does 5% down, chances are it's probably not gonna go lower on that day. Why? Well, this was a day on the 11th. It did go about 5% down and then consolidated. And then today, 5% down and it can go consolidated, right? So there's that theory that we just go 5% down today, 5% down yesterday. It's like people are manipulating the sell-offs so they don't sell everything all at once, just a bit every day, giving hopes to people and just getting all of those new liquidity. Because once you sell, people buy. And then if you are a massive whale that have, millions of dollars that you're already in the profit, you are taking those open orders with you. And it's beautiful because you get that money with you. And people have to hold so the prices go up again. Dump it, Andrew says. Dump it now. You want to see the fear, blood on the streets. What is going on? Have questions. Are the ETFs backed with real Bitcoins? All of the asset managers that offer Bitcoin ETFs must have either two things: Bitcoin in their reserves or USD. If you have a liquid and acceptable way of protecting the user deposits, then you should be good. Which I honestly don't think it's Bitcoin, because you're dealing with the SEC right now. And I honestly don't think that the SEC is gonna say, "Oh yes, you can hold Bitcoin as a way of reserving user funds." I don't think so, honestly. That is for crypto exchanges, but for asset managers that have to abide by all the rules and regulations of the SEC, I don't think so. So I'll be surprised if it's Bitcoin. Maybe it is, but USD has to be. USD has to be. It has to be the fiat currency of the nation. In this case, the dollar. That is my best estimate, but I think it makes sense. Bitcoin dominance is below 50 by the dip. Boom. Billions of dollars went into Bitcoin and it went down. At that rate, nothing will cause Bitcoin to go up. You're not the first one, and you won't be the last one. That I can tell you. I'm pretty sure that over 100 people here understand my point of view, and just have to relax and enjoy the vibes, because there's not much we can do since we're not billionaires, right? If you're not a billionaire, you cannot really move the price of Bitcoin at all, and the only thing we could do is just wait and see if we get a good entry point. That's it. Much different if you are holding an altcoin, new ICO or so, which you can be a whale, and then once it launches, you have the power, to move the price because you are a few of the holders. But when it comes to Bitcoin, nah, not Wall Street has entered the chat now. It has entered the chat. It is definitely USD. That's why they say that it will pay you in USD for your profit. Come on, tectonic. I know, right? ICP to the moon. People are saying XRP is the next for ETF. Just know that if XRP gets an ETF, prepare for more volatility. Exactly as what we're seeing right now. If Ethereum gets an ETF, prepare for more volatility. That obviously long-term could be really good. Just for a lot of people who don't want that long-term mentality, might suffer at the very beginning. Let's continue with the news, fam. We should have a lot more news right now. What is this? Beautiful. Thanks for playing Sign Wall Street. It is possible they accepted cash yesterday for Bitcoin ETFs, and they are now deploying the funds with a 6K delta. Bitcoin rising wedge. Reasons why Bitcoin is dumping after this historic spot ETF approval. And we have the price like this. Number one, there was a strong speculation leading toward the ETF approval. Now it's approved because people doesn't have anything to speculate on, and many expected it to pump towards 55 after approval. Because that didn't happen, people are just taking profits or selling in disappointment. Agree. The price of Bitcoin didn't fulfill the expectations of many, including myself. I'm not gonna come here and tell you that I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting that. It didn't happen. Just move on. Bitcoin pumped from the bottom of 15K in early 2023 to 49 with FOMO of the ETF, so the correction was naturally due, and this might be sell the news event for many who bought Bitcoin earlier below 20K. True as well. Makes total sense. Makes absolute total sense. Number 3, money is moving from Bitcoin to Ethereum now. People are selling their Bitcoin and buying Ethereum because they know Ethereum spot ETF is coming next, and ETF haven't really pumped yet, so they're moving to an undervalued asset. Positive people are missing. Bitcoin ETF is total did at 4.3 billion in volume, which is historical for any ETF in history. Now Bitcoin is available to you all at the Wall Street guys, so over time the trillions will flow into the market. Bitcoin ETF puts a trust in crypto. It's true. My personal opinion, his personal opinion, Bitcoin ETF will become more popular in Wall Street and we'll see more companies allocating billions in Bitcoin to Bitcoin over time, which in time will send price much higher. I like it. Very well done. Like it. Yep, you're right. I do agree with this. I think all of these three are spot on. What do you guys think? Because the price of Bitcoin didn't rise to the expectations, obviously people are just gonna be like, you know what, I bought a 20,000, I bought a 15,000, I bought a 25,000, let's just go ahead and cash out. Ethereum is the one rallying, why don't we go ahead and buy Ethereum? I am entering crypto until August to the November news. Yeah, just have patience. Bitcoin is always a step ahead of the altcoins. More money historically rolls over to altcoins when dominance falls. There's nothing that makes me believe otherwise. We are still hovering in that $43,000 Bitcoin, everybody. And if you like the content you're hearing right now with Oscar Ramos Live, don't forget to smash the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel, guys. Turn on those notification bells. Why don't we go ahead and get this live to 200 likes? More people watching, more votes coming. As of right now, people want more blood. People want more delicious prices. I totally get it. And guys, we're watching right now. We're having a really great conversation. We're learning a lot. And the only thing I can tell you is I know some of us, we already don't have any more money to buy in. That's fine. Just ride the wave. We'll come back. Appreciate that, Paradox. Doing the best we can. Nice. Woo! The tunes. We want some good tunes. I really like this. Just really summarizes everything. Guys. So somebody was telling me, speaking about this, 10,000 Bitcoin worth nearly $469 million had just been transferred to Coinbase. Are we about to see a massive drop? God bless. Thanks for your time. Hearing you from work at Student Terrence, New York City. What is going on, Fausto? Happy to see you, buddy. Shout out to you. Pro can reach $2. Yes, but not in 2024. Possibly, maybe later. But is $2 enough for Crow? Yes. I do agree, yes. $1 first. Oscar, what are your thoughts on Corgi AI? I like it, man. Good supply, good crypto idea, and Cronos. I like it. What is going on? Everything is down, down, down. Welcome to crypto, buddy. What do you think? Will this downtrend continue for long? Will Solana come down to $60 again? Solana going to 60 again, that's down, right? So it's one asset that's been pumping a lot lately. There's a chance for more correction. Hey, Emmanuel, happy to see you. Is it me or a massive sell candle is going to happen? You know what to do. Keep it up. Spam it, guys. Spam it. Spam the blood on the streets. Do it. Everyone, give me some good blood right now. We need to see. We need to see destruction. It's time, man. It's time. I mean, let's send it. Bitcoin, you want to give us some blood for reals? Do it right now. That's it. If you want to cry, cry for this, man. If you want to really go ahead and start fear, bring it. Bring it. Let's go. Give me the blood. Give me. I mean, guys, we didn't reach 55,000. We didn't reach 55,000. Then just give me the blood right now. What else are we supposed to be waiting for? Give me the blood. Of course. More blood on the streets. That's it. That's it. I mean, what else is there for us other than buying the dips? We couldn't get what we wanted. They want to sell. There's not much that we can do, right? There's not much that we can do. I love these tweets, man. I love these tweets. 12K, the next 100. Oh, man. They're so funny. They're so funny. About Bitcoin ETF. Can't believe it. Twitter is waking up to a lot of things. Watch your guru. What do you got for us? Okay. Eric Ansler says Bitcoin is a highly speculative, volatile asset used for illicit activity, and he approved it. And he approved it. Classic. $2,500 Ethereum also finally selling off a little bit. Ethereum finally selling off a little bit at last. Oscar, I don't understand. Why the sell-off? Why the manipulation? Emmanuel. If I was BlackRock, I'll tell you, but I'm not. But the only thing I can tell you guys is they decided to liquidate because the price didn't reach what we wanted. So I think that right now they're like, let's get out before this gets worse. They're saying, let's get out before this gets worse. I think that's what's going on right now. If you're a member, you can send this emoji. If you're a member, send this emoji. The diamond hands, brothers and sisters. The diamond hands. I think that's what's going on right now. They just want to say, you know what? We don't want to risk it. We don't want to risk it. Let's just get out right now and see how low we can buy it. That's it. That's it. Main bullish support at $34,000. I will worry if we break that. Correct. It's not like we are panicking whatsoever. No. It's just that we once again are in this situation where we just have to be waiting on the price of Bitcoin to go high. And I'm like, oh, really? Once again, man. Classic. Do me a favor, everybody, if you're watching. If you haven't done so, let everybody know we're live with a smashing like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Very excited to have a lot of people watching, and with me, I'm not alone. I'm not alone, and that really helps a lot. We're not alone, and that really helps a lot. That helps everyone. $1.7 trillion right now, going down to under 1.6 trillion. 3.25% decrease in the last day. Once Bitcoin is in the spotlight, you get out. That's right. That's right. That's always a call. Once you see Bitcoin doing really well in the spotlight, that everybody's talking really massively about Bitcoin, that's when you get out. That is some good tunes right now. Very good. We're waiting for a nice drop on Bitcoin. It always happens that when I go live, nothing happens, man. Bitcoin, you're really kidding me. We're just waiting on, I mean, I can almost guarantee you that the drop will happen later today. Can't believe it. It always happens. So far, sell-off in Bitcoin, Bitcoin ETFs, and other Bitcoin-related equities have been surprisingly orderly. I wonder when their selling will become more aggressive. It's true. I think a lot of people are waiting for exactly what I've been talking about. Let's just get to the price that everybody wants. We don't really want to see. Let's go to the price that nobody wants to see. But you know what? I'm gonna tell you something that I'm just thinking about right now. Everybody who bought the Bitcoin ETF yesterday, right now is seeing some red. And that makes total sense. Everybody who bought massive amounts of Bitcoin ETF yesterday, they're like, wait, why are we going down? And once you see new people who don't really are into crypto, but they started their crypto journey through that product, and they're seeing it go down, they might not be extremely used to like us in crypto, and they are probably also panicking too. That's also a good idea of what could happen. Because these are institutional investors. These are, traders that may be only in securities. They bought Bitcoin ETF believing that it was going to go nuts. And now they're seeing it red, bloody in the streets. And they're like, wait, what is going on? So that could also be a reason why demand is paused, is sideways trading today. And some even are cashing out or reversing their positions. The more are gonna come when Bitcoin starts going higher for sure. You don't get the ETF stuff. To me, it seems if whales put on money into the ETFs, then crypto exchanges suffer liquidity. Must be missing something. Where is Soros? Next up, 30K, people are saying. 740 votes. People are like, let me just give me more blood on the street right now. No one is more active now than whales of Bitcoin transferring their coins to main exchanges for huge dumps. I mean, some whales already did it. Some whales are saying, I'm out. This is too good. All the way from here. All the way from here. We're doing really nice. Just for 1 second, man. Just for 1 second we had that. Like 48,900. And immediately, boom, sold off. Well, let me tell you something. By the same token, we're gonna have 10-15% pumps in due time, and everyone watching will be like, "Oh man, why didn't purchase when I could?" It's always the same story. It's always the same story. I am putting my positions. And it changes so much. 88 cents Cronos going down right now from 93 to 88. Shiba Inu. So yeah, I mean, right now the crypto space is not getting what everybody was expecting. That's what's happening right now. The crypto space is not getting what everybody was expecting. Look at the Bitcoin dominance right now. Look at the Bitcoin dominance right now. From 54 to 51. That Bitcoin dominance looks bloody, man. That Bitcoin dominance looks bloody, bloody, bloody in the streets. The price of Bitcoin will could be finally heading to the 40s. Whatever happens, we'll see. But this is what it looks like right now. Exciting times for us, guys. I mean, what else could we say? What else could we say? Welcome, guys. Happy to see you. Woo. One of the reasons of the big dump right here. Right here. I do agree a lot with this. Oh man. YouTube doesn't let me to post a lot comment. You know, a very, very long comment here on the chat. No, I cannot. Keeps it really tight and short. But it's this one. Take a look at this. I like it. I think it makes total sense. Here's the deal, everybody. Here's the deal. If billionaires and millionaires and trillion level companies not panicking, guys. Why should we? Bitcoin is an asset class that protects you. Larry Fink, CEO of BlackRock. How convenient, huh? How convenient. Of course. What are your honest thoughts about XRP in 2024? Well, it all depends on how the market jumps back from here. It's early in 2024 to state bearish predictions, but I think bullish prediction is what you're talking about. I think XRP should be in the $1-2 range at minimum in a very good day for altcoins. But there's a lot of people on YouTube predicting excessive price expectations for XRP, $1,000, $10,000. Obviously, it depends who you watch. It depends what you want to believe. Just to give you an idea, obviously, it's not going to happen overnight. So, but I'll tell you, once the altcoin season fully starts, I think we won't be able to stop the prices from going up. That's also true and important. We won't stop prices from going up. Just whales selling for future investments into ETF spot in April. Huh? You think so? I never understood why people get upset when Bitcoin goes down. I hope and pray for cheap Bitcoin. Yes, that is exactly how we started. It's a good opportunity, guys, to dollar cost average, right? As you are having your levels broken, then you can come in with a little bit more and add to your positions, your balance, and you name it, guys. There's a lot on the table for sure. With 814 votes, what do you want now? Guess who won? More blood. That should tell you a lot, everybody. That should tell you a lot where the mindset of crypto millionaires are. You want more blood. You want more pain. You want a lot more because, guys, at the end of the day, it all shall pass. It's all going to pass, right? As long as you stay cool, have mindful and decent positions in crypto, not affecting your day-to-day life, of course, because it's risky as always. There's nothing really you should be scared of. Diversification always helps. So if one token or project is going lower than expectations, you for sure are coming back with another one high. Like in this case, Ethereum was doing decent. Bitcoin is going down. So the flash crashing continues as always, everybody. And what I will tell you is we'll be here. We'll be here reacting, watching, and observing everything. I was expecting for 55 plus. I'm not the only one. It didn't happen. Therefore, can we brace ourselves now for lower prices? Possibly. Whatever it is, whatever occurs, we'll be here. Diamond hands all the way. All right? Everybody, another great chat with all of you guys. Nothing but thank you to all of you. Thank you for coming, for chatting with me for a while. All your questions and answers. Like I've said, we're all going to be ready for more lives as the price of Bitcoin rallies and dumps. So make sure you turn on those notification bells so you never miss an update. I'll keep you in the loop. I'll be watching the stream and everything. So if you want to join the groups and everything, $1 Crow Party, link down below. You love Cronos and everything. You know what to do completely for free. Come to the chats with a lot of people, a lot of my mods. If you want me to give you some pointers personally, one-on-one, my Patreon page is down below. If you want to get free Crow, free crypto, BingXCrypto.com links down below. And guys, you got all my links. Follow me and let's continue this conversation. Thanks a lot for you coming in, guys, in the house. I didn't see too many mods today, so we got new members, new people watching, new people finding us. I think consistency is the key, and that's what I like to provide to you guys. All right, please be safe. Take care. Relax and enjoy these prices. And at the end, well, let's scroll. Let's go. Thanks very much, guys, for watching. Appreciate your kind support and love. And take care. I'll keep you updated in the next coming videos. See you next time, everybody. Peace. Let's go. Love you all. Time to continue. This barely starts. Bye.